What's going on, guys? Today we're doing an extra special video. We're gonna do a day in the life of a 7-figure Amazon seller. So today we're gonna be working at the home office a little bit. We're gonna be doing some banking, heading in there. We're also gonna go to the warehouse. We're gonna check out things there, get some stuff over there, and really just give you an insight on what it looks like to run an Amazon business and what my day-to-day actually entails. Let's go. So we're up first thing, we're gonna head downstairs, and I like to go directly to the kitchen. Let's go get some coffee. Coffee is absolutely essential to get our day started off right. Next, we're gonna go over and we're gonna start our day in the home office. So let's head in there, check it out, and we are gonna kick our day off by just doing some emails at the computer setup. Quick check-in on Amazon account and see our sales for the day. Perfect. And then we are gonna move on and we're gonna crush some email. Next, we're just gonna pop into Slack. We're gonna make sure the teams are all sorted. Everyone has what they need. Everyone knows what they're doing for the day, and get everybody going. So we checked in with all the different teams. People needed a bunch of different things, sent off a few emails, talked to some suppliers, did some repricing for our Amazon account, just making sure that everything's selling. Did some light banking. I'm gonna do a little bit more banking here. Then we actually have to run over to the actual physical bank. Then once we're done that, we're gonna head into the warehouse and check out what's going on there. Let's go. All right, let's hop in the car and let's go ahead and head out to the bank and then to the warehouse. So heading over to the bank, we are gonna go in. I have to deposit some checks. Unfortunately, the banking system is still a little bit archaic here in Canada, so have to deposit some checks, get some money into the account so we can pay credit cards, pay some more vendors, do some more banking. So I'm gonna run in there, I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna check back in with you when we're on our way to the warehouse. One of my absolute favorite things about just having my own schedule, being able to determine where I can be at any given time, is I love driving around during the day. Not a whole lot of traffic. You can just jam out to your own music, all that type of stuff. So we're at the warehouse. We're gonna walk in. We're gonna go check out what's going on. I think we just got some shipments in here today, so let's go check them out. Some new shipments in, some stuff that still needs to go out. Let's go check out the back. Just got a new pallet in here this afternoon. Just unloaded it with the forklift. Nice fresh pallet for the team to unload and get taken care of. Friday afternoon, so everything is a little bit quiet here. Coming up to closer to the end of the day, so this stuff is gonna go out on Monday. Let's go check out some of these shipments. Just have a bunch of stuff laid out, tons of labels, all prep, shipments made, the printers, warehouse computer. All right, we got the pallet unloaded. And we have another 1 to 2 pallets that we're gonna go ahead and get out next week. Team is all set up and ready to go. All right, so looks like team is all set at the warehouse, set up for next week. It's Friday afternoon, so I'm gonna head home, probably get a little bit more work done, and then we are just gonna chill tonight. My wife's actually out of town, so I'm looking forward to just having a nice chill night. It's been a super crazy week, so I'm gonna head home now. We're gonna get a little bit more done, and I'll catch up with you in a little bit. All right, so we just got back. We checked in with the team. Everyone is set and good to go and signing off for Friday. I'm gonna actually put together an order with a supplier. We're gonna spend some more money, get some more products into our Amazon store. So I have a few more emails, I have this order to send off, and then we're gonna have a nice chill Friday night. So I had a little bit of a dinner. We put together this order with a supplier. This is a monthly order that we put together, usually anywhere from about 15 to 25,000. A little bit of a smaller one here this week. So we have decided that we are going to just play some video games, hang out with some friends tonight, and take it easy on a Friday night. So that's it, a day in the life of a 7-figure entrepreneur. Sometimes it isn't always glamorous. Today we did some banking, we made sure our team was set, we got some orders in, and that's what matters, getting the day-to-day done. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, let me know down in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this. As well, if you did like it, make sure you show that. Hit that like button, make sure that you're subscribed, and smash that notification bell to get notified every single time that we post a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you more than you could know, and we'll see you on the next video.